Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now I know I look like hot garbage, but I was so excited because something new came in the mail today. I have the new iPhone here. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I already have the 11 Pro Max and I really like my screen size, so I didn't want to downgrade in size at all. So I did do the pre-order. It was so unbelievably stressful, but got done and I'm excited. I also normally stick with silver just because silver looks best on me. So I wear silver jewelry. My watch face is silver. I just like silver. I did go ahead and get the iPhone, and let me tell you why. So I am through Verizon, and so after like 12 months of paying on your financing, you can trade it in and get the new one. So I'm like, well, why would I not want the new one? Allegedly the battery's better and the camera's better. I work for a tech company, so I know a thing or two about the iPhones, we'll say. That's all about it. I don't think I can legally say. But anyways, dig through that wording and you can piece it together. But I do have the new iPhone. I have not opened it yet. I got it while I was working and I've been restraining because I'm like, you know what, I don't have time to film, let me wait, and I'm so excited. So I did get the 512 gigabytes just because that's what I currently have and it's working really great for me, and in case I ever want to film like on the go or anything like that, it's just convenient. But I have it. I'm so excited. So we're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy. So like I said, I have the silver one. So when you take it out of the box, it does come face down. And there isn't one of those like big plastic clear peely things. There's a white like matte one, which is kind of weird. It does have the flat edges, which is very reminiscent of like the 4s and 5s, which I think I only had a 4S. I don't think I never had a 5. So I have this beauty here, and then in the box you have your little paper here. It has probably a sticker. Yeah, it has an Apple sticker, of course, and then it has your SIM pin, which I believe this already has the SIM card installed. And then you have a cable. It does not come with headphones anymore, which I'm okay with. I have enough corded ones I don't use. I only use my AirPods or my Beats ever, so I'm okay with that. And then it does use USB-C, which again, I'm also okay with because I have my old iPhone charger from my 11 that had a brick that you can plug USB-C into, as well as my MacBook only has C ports, and my iPad Pro takes a C charger. So I'm okay with this. Doesn't bother me any. Let's check, because you always know those stupid TikTok trends where, oh, if you open this, then you're gonna find something underneath. So let's have makeup brushes next to me. Let's use a makeup brush. So when you pop it open, and you can see this firsthand, there's nothing there. There was glue here even. Like this was glued in. So anyone who tells you that, oh, there's a secret something or other under there, they're lying to you. I'm gonna keep this cable out just because I can never have enough chargers. Oh, that's cool. It actually has a little cutout for the camera on there. Now before I turn this on and look at this beauty, I am gonna go ahead and throw a screen protector on it just because last thing I want is to break it at all. So I will be right back when I have a screen protector on this. So we are back. I do have a nice screen protector on here. This one is supposed to, what is this one? Got this one at Best Buy. This is the Zag InvisiShield Glass Elite Plus Antimicrobial screen protector. So hopefully it is actually like protects against all that type of stuff and whatnot. And then the case that I will be putting on it today is a CaseMate. None of this is sponsored, by the way. I wish. And I really like this gold. Ooh, it's got black buttons. Very, very nice. And it's like a nice like silky-ish material. Okay, cool. So this is what it looks like. It looks so cute. Oh, so we are at the hello screen. This part looks different, and I've set up hundreds and thousands of phones and iPads and everything else under the sun. This looks drastically different. Like, it's nice, it's sleek. So I always set up manually because I like to restore from my iCloud backup, which I need to do a backup now on my old phone, just because I like to have the most accurate backup possible. So I am gonna go ahead and set up Face ID really quick. And then I always have a passcode as well. And now I am at the backup screen, so I will do this as soon as I'm done here. I can literally do a backup in my sleep at this point, which is kind of insane. I have a couple other cases I got. One of them I'm waiting for to arrive, which was the same as a case I had on my old 11 Pro Max. It was similar to this, but it was clear with like rainbow lines down it, and it was also like a Kodiak case. It's in front of my face this whole time. It is a light up case. I also got this one on CaseMate. I bought all of my cases on CaseMate, but watch. Those selfies are literally gonna be lit, and then has a back ring as well for like taking pictures that way. I think that this is so freaking cool. I'm so excited to use this. This will definitely not be an everyday case by any means, and it does charge. It comes with a little charger and a little wrist clip. That's cute. Is this a seat cord? Sure is. That is nifty. Oh, that's nifty. I really like that. So I bought 3 cases. Now we just sit and wait. I'm just waiting on this stupid backup to go through, which I think my last backup was yesterday, which I'm very anal. I like all my stuff, like if I'm gonna switch it, I want it up to like exact date. I don't know why this isn't going. It may very well be because it's almost done, which that's the story of my life. So perfect opportunity. I'm gonna use this cable right now. I have a oh, I can't use this portable charger. Frick. Why take that bad? I'm not using this cable right now. Where's my wireless charger? A little wireless charging pad down here, which is super convenient when I'm like doing my makeup and stuff. And then when I'm ready to go, I just literally pick it up. I swear by wireless chargers. I honestly wouldn't use anything else. Like if I'm doing quick charging or in a pinch, I'll use a cord. But otherwise, I exclusively use wireless chargers because it's better for your battery. Although I've noticed that drastically, like lately, my 11 Pro Max battery is just garbage for no real reason. So I'm actually excited to get a better battery. That will be nice. So let's talk some features on the new phone. 5G. I feel like I get very iffy service around here. Moving from Iowa, where I had pretty good service almost all the time, to Utah, where it's kind of spotty from time to time. I feel like I always have service, but whether or not it's good or not. And so I wonder if I'll even get like good 5G, because if I don't get good 4G LTE, how would I get good 5G? So that's exciting though, if it works. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really say a lot on here. It literally just says iPhone 12 Pro Max, USB-C to lightning cable, power adapter and headphones sold separately. Duh, Apple. I do like that they are like not wasting as much space, and like me personally, because I already have bricks that use USB-Cs, and all my, like my MacBook uses USB-Cs and stuff, like that doesn't, I'm kind of used to it at this point. And then, so I already have bricks for it. Oh, we're all done. Dope. And yeah, I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna have to repair my watch. I don't know my Apple password. Good thing I've got keychain. If I didn't have keychain, like, it'd be really bad because I wouldn't remember literally anything. And more times than not, I'll just let like Siri go ahead and create the password for me. Or not Siri, but like whatever. Okay, then what's my password? That's not my password. Okay, I know my Apple ID. I might have to reset my password. Oh, no, there it went. Enter in my little verification code it sends me, and we are in. I hate that the screen like completely just blurs it out unless, I just forgot what I was saying. Unless it's super close and focused. I'm gonna go through and just restore like all my same settings because I can always tweak them later. Oh no, all my Apple Pay won't work. I don't want to set up all my Apple Pay again. I try to use Apple Pay as much as possible because it's more sanitary, because then I'm not like touching buttons and stuff. I can just like bloop. But not all places offer that, unfortunately. I wish they did. And I think this is supposed to have better low lighting pictures, if I remember right. I don't know, I kind of spaced the keynote in all honesty. And now it's just asking too much of me. I'm gonna set that one up later. I know that one. Set up that card later. That card later. I'm gonna set up just most of these cards later. What? Well, I guess I have to do a giant software update. I don't remember even doing a software update on this one. And the only reason why it would ask me to do one is when you restore from iCloud, it wants to be like compatible. And so if this software's newer than this one, then this one has to update. Where if they were both the same, then I wouldn't have had to. It's kind of annoying. But I don't know, I'm super excited to use my new phone. I'm gonna let it finish setting up. I'm gonna have to mail this one in. I'll probably mail it in tomorrow in all honesty. But that's it for now. I've got 2 phones. Don't copyright strike me. Don't come for me, DMCA. But I got 2 phones until this one's all set up. Well, that's it for today, guys. I know it's very not my normal content, I guess. I don't know. But I'm gonna finish setting this up and then I'm gonna go to bed because I'm tired and I have to work again in the morning, which sucks. But that's all I got for today, guys. Subscribe if you have not. Like this video. All my socials are down below. Till next time.